Just like with graphing an absolute value function, if we want to write an absolute value function, we need to identify what the a, the h, and the k are. Now, we know that the h and k comes from the vertex of our graph of our function. So if we look at this particular graph, our vertex is located at 5, 4. And we know that our vertex is h, k, so that means that the value for h is going to be 5, and the value for k is going to be 4. Now, to get the a value, you always want to start at your vertex and travel to the right. So we're going to move down this ray on the right-hand side until we get to another perfect point. And as you can see, we have one right here. And now we're just going to identify the rate of change or the slope from our vertex to that new point. So to travel from the vertex to this point, we have to go down 3 and to the right 1. Since we're going down 3 and to the right 1, that means our a would be negative 3 over 1. So we're going to let our a value be negative 3. Now the last part of this is just to substitute those three values into that standard equation for an absolute value function. So we're going to have f of x equals, in place of that a, we're going to substitute in that negative 3. Then we're going to start drawing the absolute value bars. We're going to have x minus, we're going to substitute in 5 for our h and the absolute value, and then plus our k. And the k for this particular graph is a 4. So the function that's associated with the graph on the left is f of x equals negative 3 times the absolute value of x minus 5 plus 4.